We invited some of the top PPF installers around the country to come and wrap my Tesla with a brand new film that we're testing. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Boom.
That's it.
Okay.
We're done.
And now we just do stuff.
My Tesla was previously wrapped in a color change PPF called FlexiShield, which I really enjoyed. I liked it, but in the name of testing, we have a new film that we're gonna put on the car. This is NanoLink, which is a colored PPF. It is a wet application. The color that we have here is called Violet Dream. It is a metallic blue that will shift into a purple. This being a PPF and color change, it has a lot of benefits that vinyl does of color change, but benefits of PPF also. So it is going to protect the car from rock chips because it's much thicker and it can absorb those rock impacts. And it has a top coat, which is self-healing from the scratches. So really cool film. Excited to see how it looks on the car, excited to see what these installers think of the film. This is a new film, a new brand that we're testing, and like everything we do here at Chicago Auto Pros, we test it on our own cars first, make sure it's a quality brand, a quality film, that we've been proud to put it on our customer cars. We're gonna try to do this in one day. We got lots of people, but this is a big car and this is a new film, so we'll see what happens.
On the plotter, I made a bunch of kits for it. I mean, the car's 12 pieces, so we should be able to do it in the 4 hours. If it's all 4 of us.
Should we start with the hood? Is that the easiest?
Yeah.
Start with the hood? Yeah. Okay.
So if you guys can, if you could hang this over on the fender, like into the fender a little bit to where we don't have to cut it. I'm gonna do some goofy shit. So adhesive to adhesive, right? Just so I can walk with it. Now, Raleigh, you take this one. So this edge right here.
Let that wrap in a little bit.
Yeah, so we could leave it right on the edge right here and it'll line it up perfectly. Or we just hang it slightly over, like 1/8 of an inch, hang it this way.
Yeah.
And then hang the corner over a little bit. And this should line up perfect, and then we can just line this up all the way through. And treat it just like PPF.
Yep.
It's a wet applied PPF.
There?
Yeah.
Teamwork.
Dream work. And we're gonna stretch down a little bit to get barely over that edge.
Yeah, go ahead and once we get it, give me a tack here.
Okay.
Okay. That's better.
Done.
You have a hockey puck or something?
What'd you ask for, a Hot Pocket?
Hockey.
Hot Pocket.
There you go.
Nice.
Hockey puck to the rescue.
Looking shiny.
It looks nice. It looks really good. Feels like no texture, right?
That's
Right.
very nice.
Ah, it is purple. It is purple.
Granted, right here, I'm just seeing deep ocean blue.
I know, but here it's like
But I think the core purple color is purple.
yeah.
They
It's all
got you.
good. It's all good. I'm man enough to drive a purple car.
Hey man,
Purple's a pretty color. One panel done, 11 to go. So we're gonna dry out the edges and then wrap them. So we're spraying with an alcohol to remove all the soapy water. So you use the soapy water initially to kind of move the film around, get it to where you want it, and then you squeegee it down. And then this is an alcohol-based solution to remove all that soap to get it to stick faster, and we'll use the heat gun to wrap over the edges here.
go ahead and heat this. We'll close it so we can get this back edge done first.
Yep.
Plenty of wrap? Oh yeah, that's plenty of wrap. It's a little bit short on the front, but totally fine. It's almost damn near perfect. How does it install?
Felt the same as any other. Yeah.
Is it blue or purple?
Yeah. That's the debate.
Yeah, it's blue up top. You look straight down, and then purple more at the angle.
Yeah, it's interesting. All right, so we'll pop it open. We'll spray tack on all these edges.
We did that already.
Oh, you did? Yep. All right, cool. Let's just leave it up like this then. So the beauty of color change is if you get silver marks underneath,
You're not gonna see it.
dude, you're not gonna see shit. And as long as we extract all the moisture, which it looks like we did.
Looks like we got it.
It looks really good. All right, well, let's get the fenders ready. Once these are dry, then we'll come back with 2 heat guns and we'll start rolling these edges. And it should go down like cake.
Sweet.
Fenders.
Fenders?
Not bad.
You guys want to race? You against you?
Let's do it.
Fender versus Fender?
I'm down. I'm down.
Depends what's at stake.
I'll never shy away.
All right, loser has to buy lunch. You ever watch the Food Network with Guy?
Yes.
The grocery race? He's always like, all right, there's 3 of us, but only 2 of us are in competition. Only one can be a winner.
I'm just trying to blind him.
Go!
2 different styles of technique.
He's got an upside down method. You're already losing.
Huh?
He's already got us on the
to it.
panel.
He's just to the panel. We're good. We're competing. No help.
How's it sticking?
It's pretty tacky.
Pretty tacky?
Yeah.
Nice.
Tacky film.
Very
Yeah?
And it's thicker, so the stretch is a little bit more challenging.
All right. Done.
It's weird not being able to see your moisture like normal.
Do we have a winner?
Quaker.
Quaker.
Maybe I rushed it and missed some things.
This actually looks so good. Bro, you can't really see like work lines. This is lined up really nicely. Did you do like micro adjustments here?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. So I did this first, then that, then this, and then worked.
There's no lines here. Wow. Dang. This looks nice. What'd you think of the film?
I like it. I think if we just dial the slip in
Yeah.
for this particular adhesive, I really like it.
All right. Well, let's wrap the hood, and then we can start to wrap the fenders, and we're good. And I did prep this really well with our prep.
Oh, that was that secret sauce.
Yeah, so that's why it's holding really nicely.
Yeah.
Now I'll just post heat. Now if I could see with clear, I'd do the same style cut, it would just be really clean. And I'd try to shoot for like 1/8 of an inch off this edge.
Okay.
I couldn't see, so it's kind of like wonky. But
Yeah.
it's all,
It's getting covered.
it is what it is, right? It's getting covered, so it doesn't really matter.
As long as we know it stays down and it'll be a
Oh,
solid
yeah.
hold, we'll be fine.
And that's staying, that ain't
Yeah.
going anywhere.
I can do the rear driver door, I think. We'll give it a shot.
Make it rain.
Jay, the door fit pretty nice?
Yeah.
Oh, that should look good too. I'm gonna send the other kit and then we can switch and then you guys could do that.
How about like this? Like I got a little bit of water in here. Like what do I do about that?
That, since it's early, we're gonna be extremely aggressive with their film. This is actually really nice.
It is a really nice film. I really like it. Hard to tell right now. I want to see it outside. I want to see it after it's dry. This is wet applied, so it's a little bit different. Has to cure a little bit, but it's very, very texture free, which is nice. You know, one of the reasons I don't like vinyl is just because of the texture that comes with it, with any of the gloss colors. And this is like paint, which is awesome.
All right, I'm gonna send the other set of doors. And
All right.
then we'll have him install a door, and I'd like issue to install a door, and then I'll cut these out, and then we can wrap them.
Okay. Is it lunchtime yet? 10:50. We're almost done with this thing. Fuck, we'll be done by lunchtime. Ah, we're drinking early. Drinking early today.
This is that secret stuff that people don't know about. So I can't see through the film, right? So I don't know where to cut. So I'm gonna draw it out. So all I'm doing is following the edge of the door handle. I'm doing this. I'm putting pressure up against this so I can follow it and trace it so I can kind of make a kit. And that allows me to be able to see a little bit better. And I'm not looking to be like a fucking hero, right? I just want it to be close, just enough to wrap in there, and that's it. I'm not gonna go crazy. That's all it is.
Nice. So you don't need to reintroduce tack or like flush it out more?
I should. I would tack that whole thing and then come in with my blower again.
Yep.
Blow all the moisture out and then hit it with this.
Okay.
And then it should lay down pretty nicely. But even that worked pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attempt to do this Model 3 rear hatch in one piece. We only get one shot too. Yeah, there's not enough to do another one. Let's reverse roll this puppy on there. Pull, pull, pull. There you go. And then go like 5 inches over. You're good. Thank you. Okay, we're just gonna re-soap everything. Before I cut anything, I wanna make sure I'm even on both sides. That's even, that's even. All right, big stretch. Big stretch. We'll do one basic stretch and then I'll readjust if I need to. So this is just my first tack. It's just gonna be an anchor so that I could pull that way. So I want this, and I want you to tack right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Tack, and then let's adjust this, and then tack this down. Make it look nice and flat. Cool. So I'm starting to take away fingers from here, right? I want the stretch to be this way. So that's the hard part, is you have to do multiple stretches at the same time. I need somebody's help. I need you to tack there. Come here and tack that on that line, yep. Now we're gonna tack up here. Tack that. All right, and we'll re-stretch this side. See about tacking here on my right hand? I really like how this is sitting here versus this side. Yeah, it's sinking right into it. So we have really good stretch there, and our stretch here is slightly off. So we'll readjust this one again. I'm not gonna start squeezing until I get this stretched. Okay, that looks better. Much better, right? So like, dude, that's what sucks about these, is like you just have to find the perfect stretch.
You're gonna see this when you watch the video and you're gonna be like, is that a drone? No, it was Jason just holding the fucking camera.
My name's Ben Runkle, and I'm from Elkhart, Indiana, owner of High Def Detailing. So far the film's really cool to work with. It looks incredible. It's got a really glossy look. It lays just like a regular PPF, so the application's really nice. Just like with any new film, you just have to get used to a little bit of the different application process. It's really similar, but I would say the one thing that's different that I noticed is it grabs really hard. So you just have to kind of get used to that from the beginning, and then it's good to go.
So we got it done in one day. It is the next day. We did a lot of buttoning up on the edges and trimming and making sure everything laid down properly.
Yep.
Time for final thoughts.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Install, super fun. The color, fantastic. And I think the shine surprised me a lot.
Yeah.
Like, it is freaking shining like crazy.
So it's very little texture on it. That's what I like about these color change PPFs. It does go from a purple to a blue, which is really cool. I think the only issue that we had was on the back. Because of the trunk, it is such a big stretch. It lost some, it didn't lose color.
No.
It lost a little bit of the gloss.
Yeah.
It looks a little bit satin.
Yes.
But I don't think anybody would notice that actually.
No, nobody would
except us.
notice. Yeah, nobody.
Adhesive.
Yeah.
It's middle of the road. It's not a really hard tack.
Yeah, middle of the road. I think it went down fantastic though. If you know how to work your film and you're using like nice hot water to get these edges to fold, it'll go down so easy.
Yeah. You know, this is, you know, I haven't done too much film, but I enjoyed working with it, and I thought it was really easy to work with. I did the front bumper here.
Yeah.
The bottom part.
It's friendly. It's really friendly to use.
All right, we'll continue to update you on the film. You know, so the install went great. The look, initial look of it is everything went great. Prices were very good. So I believe prices were in the $1,300 range for this particular film. So. You know, right in line with most other PPF films. And now it's just the test of time. So it does have some hydrophobic properties to it.
Cool.
I did not coat it with anything because I want to see how long those hydrophobics last on the film. So we'll update you with that, and we'll probably update you in, you know, 8 months or a year, see how it holds up to all the elements. We're coming into winter in Chicago, so we're going to beat it up a little bit, see how it goes.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.